Hi everyone. I'm doing something a little bit different tomorrow. I'm going to be putting away my glue gun and taking out my controller, and I'm going to be doing 24 hours of gaming to raise money for the Children's Miracle Network. I'm going to be live streaming here on my channel as I play games, just this one day only. The rest of my channel will always be scrapbooking, of course, but I'm joining my brother-in-law Adam and his team for Extra Life, which is a fundraiser where people get together and game for a 24-hour marathon to raise money for the kids. So I'm going to be playing Animal Crossing, probably 2 Point Museum, which is a management game and strategy game, and a few other games as well. And I'm going to be joined by my friend Stephanie, and virtually I'll be joined by Adam and the rest of his team. And we're going to be raising money for this really great cause. The funds raised through our team go to support the IWK Health Center here in Nova Scotia, which is really close to my heart because I used to work there. Both of my kids were born there too, and they also received care there whenever we needed it. I'm sharing this with you, and I'm going to be streaming on my channel all day tomorrow. So if you'd like to pop in and say hello, cheer me on, or keep me awake, I would love that. But the reason I'm telling you this today is that if you donate $25 to my Extra Life campaign, I will give you 6 months of my Patreon as a thank you. So that means that you'll get access to exclusive content, videos, community posts, and our Discord server and all of the goods, just for helping out the kids. So I would really appreciate it if you followed my link in the information section below and help the kids and donate to my fund. I'll be live streaming all day tomorrow, so please say hello, cheer us on, help keep us awake. So check out my channel tomorrow. I'll be live streaming here. Even if you're not really into video games, you can still pop by and just say hello. If you make that donation anytime starting tonight, starting right now, if you make that donation, you will get 6 months of gifted Patreon goodness as a thank you. So whether you donate, cheer us on, or simply pop in to say hi, I really appreciate it. Your support really does make a difference. Thank you so much for being here and for being part of this scrappy community here on YouTube. I can't wait to hang out with you tomorrow on game day, support the Children's Miracle Network, and do something really positive together. So thank you, and I'll see you right here tomorrow. Have a really great scrappy week.